Hey, what's going on, guys? Jordan here, back with another video. As you guys can see, we have another unboxing video from Supreme this week. I've been doing very good recently with online stuff. So I got two things from Supreme. One of them is right here. The other one is coming in who knows when, because I have not got any shipping on it yet. Got two pairs of the Court Purple Jordan 1s. One pair has already moved out. The other pair is also already moved out, but they're still here because the guy is local, but he's in the military, my friend. He already bought them from me, just holding them for him until he gets back from where he's stationed right now. Then I got a pair of DMP6s coming in the mail, which are also sold. Once they get in, meet up with the guy. Done deal. Quick profit. Get them out of here and move on. So you guys will see unboxing on those whenever those come in. I got them on DTLR, so I'm 2 for 2 from DTLR so far this year. From what the release I've gone for. Honestly, I forgot about DTLR, but now I know, and I'm 2 for 2 so far, so we're doing good. But as you guys can see, the big box right here, where's my address is right there, so we're gonna hold the box like this. So as you guys can see, the big box right here, you guys should have already guessed what is in here. Go ahead, crack this open. But this was the most hyped item for this past week, so this was a week with the spring tees as well. But I got this. What was the first thing I went for? This sold out in 12 seconds, and I got it manually on my phone on Google Chrome. In 12 seconds, I feel like that's pretty fast. The fastest I've checked out, besides this, has been like, I'm in the 10-second range. This sold out in 12 seconds, and I was able to get it. So I think I did pretty good. But I'm excited to see this in person. I am going to be holding it for a little while. I was going to sell it, but I decided that I'm not going to sell it because it's already doing good on resale. And I think I can get a little bit more, so I am going to be holding it for a little while. Hopefully, I hope I can actually look at the... oh, I forgot about stickers. I hope I can actually look at it. I can. I'm definitely going to be opening it up and just keep it in the box after that. But first things first, I got no stickers. I just got... I didn't get any spring stickers. All I got were 2 box logos, and one of them is bent. Look at that. That's bent. Like, really bent. But it's fine. 2 Supreme box logo stickers over there. Nothing else. Do I have any other stickers in here? No other stickers in here, guys. There's no other stickers. But anyway, as you guys can see right here, the woven straw mat in red. Correct? Yes, they sent. Hopefully, that'd be scary if they sent me. I mean, I really wouldn't care because it's like the same resale value right now. But the Supreme straw mat in red, I am going to be opening this. I'm not going to take it out of the. Oh, I can't even look at it. So this is the best look I'm going to get. Is right here. It looks nice from what I can see. I would like to open it up to actually look at it, but it's not going to happen. I was originally going to go for the black one, and I decided to go for the red one. Like last second, I was like, all right, I'm going to go for the black one. Then I clicked on it, saw the red one. I was like, I'll just go for the red one, and I ended up getting it. I didn't think that was going to happen. Honestly, I thought I was going to take an L on it, and then just be stuck with the one chrome tee. I did get the Supreme chrome logo tee in a black medium, but I got this first. It was the first thing I went for, but I didn't think I was going to get it. And I hit, and here it is. So, like I said, I am going to be holding this for a little bit. But this is one of the accessories I noticed on the lookbook, and I was like, yeah, that's definitely going to do good. And whenever that comes out, I'm going for it. And here it is. Like I said, that is it. Hope you guys all enjoyed. See you next video. Peace. Alright, guys. So, part 2 of the week 9 unboxing? No, 8 unboxing. Whatever week this is. I forgot what Supreme week we're on. But, you make your entrance or just sit there? I'm at my grandparents' house right now because I had the pass to this tee and the Supreme mat were shipped here. I don't need to get into details on why they were shipped here. Just I accidentally shipped them here instead of my house. We just got this package right here, so I didn't feel like, because I'm selling it to my friend JP. So after I do this video, I'm gonna go drop it off to him. He already paid for it, but. This isn't even working, but, so I didn't go, I wasn't going to come here, pick it up, and go all the way back to my house just to come back this way because he lives like a minute down the road from my grandparents. So there's no point in really doing that. So I'm just doing the unboxing here. So go ahead and get into it as we already are doing that. I don't know what happened to this packaging. So here's the tee. I didn't get a sticker pack. No way. They didn't give me any stickers. Not one sticker. I got Jip. Wow. I didn't get one single sticker, guys. But you guys can see the chrome logo. Tee, size medium. Like I said, I'm selling this to my friend JP as soon as I'm done with this video. But yeah, the tee itself it's pretty clean. The packaging is like huge for it. I can't believe I didn't get any stickers. Did I really not get stickers, or am I just imagining it? Yeah, there's no stickers in here. Right? That sucks. I was hoping for a sticker pack, but just got the tee. But it is what it is. Then from the mat, I only got 2 box of stickers. Supreme chrome logo tee. Anyway, that's it. Hope you guys all enjoyed. See you guys in the next video. Make sure to check out my Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, resale page, and clothing brand page. Everything will be in the description below. Hope you guys all enjoyed. See you next video. Peace. What's up, dude? Whoa! Got a nail gun out his ass.